Hey there, hair enthusiasts, ready to unlock the secrets to gorgeous, healthy hair? Today, I'm sharing tried and true tips and tricks to help you achieve that stunning, glossy look. Let's dive right in. First things first, it's essential to understand that hair care and hairstyling go hand in hand. Healthy hair is the foundation of any beautiful hairstyle. No matter how intricate the style, if your hair isn't well maintained, it just won't look its best. So mastering both is key to fabulous hair. In this guide, you'll discover comprehensive hairstyling instructions for various hair types and essential hair care tips. Plus, I'll share the best tools for professional-looking styles at home, common hair care mistakes to avoid, and must-have products. Let's start with the essentials of hair care for healthy hair. Number 1, know your hair type. Is your hair straight, curly, thick, or fine? Each hair type requires different care and styling techniques. Understanding your hair type helps you choose the right products and methods. For curly hair, hydrating shampoos and conditioners are a must. Avoid sulfates. They strip your curls of natural oils. For straight hair, use lightweight shampoos and conditioners to maintain volume. Straight hair can get oily quickly, so choose products wisely. For thick hair, opt for detangling and smoothing treatments that don't weigh your hair down. Number 2, shampoo and condition appropriately. Don't overwash your hair, it can strip away natural oils. Use sulfate-free products that suit your hair type. Pro tip, use a clarifying shampoo every 2 weeks to remove product buildup. Number 3, hydration is key. Dry hair can lead to frizz, dullness, and breakage. Use deep conditioning masks weekly and incorporate oils or leave-in conditioners for added moisture. Top hydration products include coconut oil, argan oil, and leave-in conditioners. Number 4, protect your hair from heat. Heat styling tools can cause long-term damage. Always use a heat protectant spray before styling and limit high heat tool usage when possible. Number 5, regular haircuts and trims. Trim your ends every 6-8 weeks to reduce split ends and keep your hair looking fuller and healthier. And finally, number 6, maintain a nutritious diet. A diet rich in vitamins A, C, E, biotin, and omega-3 fatty acids promotes strong, healthy hair growth. There you have it. Follow these tips and tricks to unlock the secrets to gorgeous, healthy hair. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care and styling tips. See you next time.